Assalamualaikum viewers. If you want to increase your weight Islamically, and if you want to increase your weight naturally, so you can use these two things, which are dates and cucumber. Dates and cucumber are defined in hadith to increase weight. There is a narration given in which Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu anha ate cucumber and fresh ripened dates together to gain weight, and she successfully gained. This hadith is given in Ibn Majah. So there is a narration in which it is given that when our Aisha Raziyallahu anha wants to increase her weight, and her mother tried everything to increase her weight, many things to increase her weight, but nothing had worked. So they used cucumber and fresh ripened dates together, and they successfully managed to increase their weight. And Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam also ate it. There is a narration given in which Hazrat Abdullah bin Jafar Raziyallahu anha says that Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to eat cucumber with fresh ripened dates. This hadith is given in Tirmidhi. So our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used these two things and ate these two things. So it is a sunnah to eat cucumber with dates also. So if you want to follow this sunnah, you can also eat cucumber with fresh ripened dates. And why dates and cucumber? So basically cucumber's nature is like cucumber is cold in potency, and dates is hot in potency. So when we combine these two things, so they one is opposite of each other, so the combination of both neutralize each other. So what are the benefits of it? The first is eating cucumber and dates together can help with digestion, hydration, and energy level, because cucumber contain most of the water, so it keep us hydrated. Dates are high in fiber, which helps with digestion, and cucumber help flush out toxin, and it also helps in weight management and both health. These two things are amazing. So if you want to follow the sunnah, and if you want to increase your weight, you can eat these two things. So how to eat it? So cut a slit in the middle of each date. After this, cube the cucumber and put the cucumber cubes in the slit in the dates and drizzle with honey. So you can use these two things, and you can drizzle these two things in honey also. Honey is very beneficial, as we all know. It has lots of benefit for our health. So I think you must have to use these two things to follow the sunnah of our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and to make ourselves hydrated. And if we want a good health, so try to use these two things and follow the sunnah of our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, because our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did everything for his ummah and to teach them how to live life. Thanks for watching.